Greetings, friends. I think we can all feel and agree that we've hit a critical turning point in our civilization and of the expansion of consciousness on this planet. Things are heating up and breaking down, and we have come to a turning point, a choice point that we each have to make. Do we succumb to the darkness and the division, or do we dig deep and find the clarity and the conviction to forge a better future? The choice is ours. The time is now. I'm Dr. Miles Neale, and I'd like to present to you an opportunity to join me in the Crucible, a 12-week training program that I'll be launching in February 2024. We'll be going through 3 core disciplines, each with their own unique skill sets. First is Joseph Campbell's hero's journey, so that we can rewrite a more heroic narrative, because we do need a better story. Secondly, we'll go through Carl Jung's depth psychology and his shadow work, so that we can heal wounds, but more importantly, find our soul, the diamond queen of our intuition. And thirdly, we'll go through the Tibetan Buddhist tantras, particularly the power tools of visualization, breath work, and affirmation, so that we can step into an embodied version of ourselves that's more courageous and compassionate and effective, so that we can actually make a difference in the planet that we all care so deeply about. So the Crucible is there as an opportunity for you. It's coming soon. And you might be at a critical turning point or a choice point or in transition. So this might be just the medicine that you've been looking for. Join me in the Crucible in the new year, and together, let's go for a pilgrimage of a lifetime. All best wishes, and hope to see you soon.